Before we met, I thought you were just some hot guy on Instagram, but come to find out, I met the most loving, kind, selfless, positive, charming man. Changed my life forever.
You're a picture, and every piece seems to fall into
Open your eyes.
Can I kiss you? Jordy, you're the best gift life has ever blessed me with. You're my dream girl that I was starting to doubt even existed. Today, I promise you my heart. With it, I'm forever yours.
Cory, you are who you hang around with, and the quality of your friends here at the Vineyard is top-notch. And I particularly love your close relationship with family. The Freeman and Bender families are first rate.
I could not be more happy for you, brother. I'm genuinely so excited for this next chapter in your life. I know that you're going to be an amazing husband, and when the time comes, one of the coolest fathers around.
Best thing I have found. You're the best thing